Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Shrink. Shrink means become or make smaller in size or amount. For example, the workforce has shrunk to less than 1,000. The workforce has shrunk to less than 1,000. Synonyms: get smaller, become smaller, grow smaller.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. She had radiation to shrink the size of the tumor. Now, repeat after me. She had radiation to shrink the size of the tumor. The second exemplar. The workforce has shrunk by 1,000 over the last 2 years. Now, repeat after me. The workforce has shrunk by 1,000 over the last 2 years. The third exemplar. 3,000 Opel workers lost their jobs at that time, shrinking the workforce from 12,000 to 9,000. Now, repeat after me. 3,000 Opel workers lost their jobs at that time, shrinking the workforce from 12,000 to 9,000.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first 2 letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.